Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is Technicya with another video. Today we will be looking for how to remove the password in Windows 7, 8 or 10. This laptop is protected with passwords, and in this video I will show you how to remove the password for all the accounts. Here you see the administrator is protected with the password and I am unable to log in. Let's try the other user account. This is also protected with password. To remove the password, we will have to make a bootable USB drive. To make this drive, open this website lacesoft.com. Click download to download the utility. So you choose the free version that is in the top of the list. Click download now to download it. Double click to install this app. Click next, again next, and install it. Click on launch the application checkbox. Now choose the burn CD or USB disk. Click here. Select the operating system of the target computer that you want to uh, remove the password. However, this USB will work for all versions of the Windows 7, 8 or 10. Click next. Now choose the USB flash. In my case, the drive letter is E. Now it will download the Windows PE version and it will take some time. Click yes to format the drive. The drive is ready now. Now we will plug into the computer. I am going to plug this flash drive in the laptop. Switch on the laptop and hit F12. Now choose the USB boot from the menu. Hit the blue button. Click next. Yes. Here it will show all the users accounts in this laptop. Now I am going to remove the administrator password. Click the administrator, Hit the next button. Now click on this large blue button to reset the password. You see the password has been removed. Now I will remove for the password for the other user. Again the same process. Click next. Yes. I am choosing the Dell user account. Now again click the blue button. Now shut down the laptop and switch it on. Unplug the flash drive and switch it on. Now here you can see the Windows has logged on without any password. I will test both the accounts. Yes. Now I am testing the other one. Switch user. The Dell user account. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe the channel. And stay in touch for the new tech videos. Thank you.